Yes, it started.
Okay, so first example for the keywords which you includes into the SAP resume, that will be according to your module, according to your modules, like what modules technical knowledge you have. See, everybody will be from different modules. So firstly, you have to specify that what technical knowledge you have with your module like SAP S/4HANA MM. This will be the complete technical name which you have to mention into the SAP resume. Okay. After that, we will come with the technical technologies like ABAP, Fiori, data HANA database, that GUI, SAP portals. Okay, so that will be a second. Like I already told you, like SAP S/4HANA, that will be your technical, like we have to use. Like after that, you need to use the technical words, materials management, controllings, SD, HCM. Then we have to see that what will be the implementation knowledge you have. As of now, like mm if you come with the implementation, you will have the knowledge of every project, like upgrade project, migration project, how to do the integration testings, how to do the configurations. See, this will be the just only the keywords. Afterwards, you can add more about the configurations. First of all, what knowledge you have into the SAP implementation or upgrade or a migration project. That knowledge you have to mention there. Like I have a knowledge like implement is if you come with the uh, application to some of the SAP for implementation project or integrate sorry upgrade project. So at that time you have to mention their configuration, testing, data migration, upgrades, solution design, project management. These are all the technical words for the projects on for which project you are applying for. Okay. Secondly, keywords related to development. Now we can develop it according to the implementation keywords. Like if I have mentioned the customization or configurations. So according to that configuration, what will be the technical development or technical activities you do? So there you can mention custom developments, Barbie user exist, enhancement framework, that all keywords you have to mention when you done with the technical implementation. Okay. After that, keywords related to business, SAP business integration. Now coming towards again into the deep, like data visualizations, reportings, business objects. These are all the again keywords to maintain into the SAP related to the project, whether it will be configure project of implementation, migration, or a upgrade project. Okay. Now there will be one more development keyword that will be important. Like if you go work with the enhancements, enhancement framework, like developers, they need to enter this keyword whenever they apply for the any of the projects. So enhancement frameworks will be the important keywords. RICFEF objects, that will be the important word or configurations you have to maintain, as well as you have that knowledge also. Then you have to mention there our skills, abilities. Okay, so these are all the technical words which you have to maintain into the SAP according to their module wise. Okay, after that, whenever we come with the particular module, if I come with the SAP materials management or any other functional modules, so we have to maintain the specific knowledge like 1 to 2 years experience or 2 to 4 years or 4 to 7 years. So according to that experience, you have to mention there like what will be the activities you have, like implementations or configurations, customizations, UIT and UAT testing, that keywords you have to maintain. Then there will be a regarding your activities like materials management functional consultant. If you come with the cons inventory management, so into the inventory management you have to mention GI, GR, transfer movement, physical inventory. Okay, so these are all the keywords you have to mention there. Again, there will be a like more experience about 4 to 7, yeah, 5 to 7 experience years of experience. So you have to maintain there what drivers, experience with drivers, multidisciplined business professionals, and strong interpersonals. So these are all the keywords you have to mention. Excellent communicator with emphasis meetings the client, because if you come with the 7 or 5 to 7 years of experience, you have to communicate with the clients. So at that time, you have to you have that keyword like communicator, excellent communicators. You have the client SAP requirement, means client's knowledge. Here you have to mention the client's knowledge, client, CLINT, that on which client you are configuring. What will be the client master data we have, what will be the component we have according to the business best practice content library. So best practice content library, if you mention for every functional consultant, for every function consultant, if you mention their best practice content library, so you have that knowledge what content we have in my client. Okay, so that if you mention the best practice content library, so mention that you have the knowledge of best practice content list. Okay, according to the different modules, they have also same contents into their best practice. Okay, and now keywords, if I say like single keywords like for the all modules like success factors or FI. So asset management for FI will be important keywords if you mention there. Okay, if I say for success factor, so for the success factor we have like we have to maintain there the what will be there main keywords will be there, data analysis, communications, leaderships. These are all the, again we can see the success factor, because there will be have to maintain the employees data. Okay, their details. Also for the ABAP, you have to mention there what ALP you're using, what Jira, SQL, what database. So that all, if you are mentioning there, these all technical words as a ABAPer, so you have that knowledge as well. Okay. What will be the data migration activities you using, that mention. Okay, algae project management, if you are working with that, so you have to mention there. There will be different keywords as well for the um, according to the experience as well. Anything else you needed to add into the resume? So that will be your skills, your commands into the Python, AI, ChatGPT, or you have the MS Office package. That advanced Excel will be the important keyword. All modules, whether it will be functional or technical, you have to mention their advanced MS Office or advanced Excel. That for the functional, if you come with the SD, PP, the materials management, these three modules with the finance, they know everything about Excel, like HLOOKUP, VLOOKUP. These are all the basic need of right now pivot table for the every industries for the for whether it will be using SAP or not. So these three you have taken knowledge that will be important, mandatory now, right now. Because currently when I work with the change management, I saw there into procurement of material from US. So I have to work with the pivot. I need to work with the HLOOKUP and VLOOKUP as well as with the macro. So that will be the important for the current for the current SAP transactions. Okay, and that's all we can say into the like different modules have all the technical specifications according to their requirement. Their requirement means the company's requirement according to the implementations, customize, sorry, upgrade and the migration project. Okay, anything you want to ask that you can continue with this, starting with the Hindu.
No, sir, I don't have any doubt as of now.
Ritesh.
Yeah, I have only one question. I just wanted to
Mhm.
check, like, since people who are having experience into the SAP HCM and people who are having a 8 to 10 year of experience, they are not into the background of the SAP, but they just started learning on the SAP platform, but they are
Mhm.
using the platform for the different profile. So right now, people who are having experience into the SAP and they're using the SAP HCM right now as a functional consultant. So what are the keywords they will use which will enhance their CV and it will relevant to their profile as well. So people who are like, for me, I'm from the payroll background. So I use SAP a platform to processing the payroll and doing the implementation and everything over there. But I was not a SAP consultant over there. So right now I started learning SAP. So how the keywords will be, it will be relevant to my profile as well, and it will not impact to my experience as well. What I have right now.
So you have to mention there into your resume, like about the modules, like what right now you told me about the payrolls or
Yeah.
time management or talent management. Okay, so these are all the modules knowledge you have to mention first of all. Then according to this all modules activity, what the tools you are using, BDC, SAP scripts you are using, or smart forms you are using. Okay, so that you have to mention LSMW or LTMC, HPQC or ALM you are using. So that all technical tools name you need to add here. Techniques, what techniques you are using, soft skills you have to mention there. So this much of keywords you have to maintain into your resume with the elaboration. With the elaboration means like if you come with the payrolls or time management, few points about the payrolls or time management or talent management. Or if you are doing e-recruitment, so that again you can mention there what few points about the these modules. Okay, if you come with the freshers, so these are all the activities, and into that activities what we are doing, small keywords
Okay.
with that tools. So this will be the basic requirements of the like recruiters to shortlist the resume.
Okay.
And also, whenever you go to apply for any of the, for everybody, this will be for everybody. If you going to apply for any uh, any of the industries, so see first their requirement. See, right now I know you all are applying into the SAP, Naukri.com or LinkedIn, and there you have uploaded the resume as well. But if you personally applying for any organizations, so first go through their requirement, go through their JD, okay, and take the keywords from that JD and mention in your resume. So this will be the best way to apply, because how you shortlist, how the a recruiter shortlist the resume. They did not verify everybody's resume. They just mention the keywords. Just type the keywords from the JD and hit on enter. The rest they shortlist the resume which have that keywords. They will shortlist, and rest of they will be rejected. So always remember, mention the keywords for which your what for which job profile you are applying for that. Okay, as well as uh, into Naukri, go through your SAP, suppose success factor or suppose HCM or supply chain management you're applying for. So first of all, go to Naukri profile, type the keywords to search the job openings, SAP supply chain management with the 2 years of experience. You will have the list of openings for the company. So open that company's job details or description. Note it down the keywords they mention their requirement. Again, go to another company. Select. There will be similar job requirement will be there. Means job requirements means their uh, JD. We have a common keywords, put it into your resume, that keywords, take a knowledge on that keywords, and after that you can see your resume will be 100% shortlisted. Do it for 10 companies, do it for 10 companies. So, read their JD, note it down their JD's requirement, keywords, and that keywords you have to mention into your resume, as well as take a knowledge on that keyword, and you can definitely get the job within 2 months. This will be the perfect way of study as well, because what the company needs, according to my requirement, you as a applicant have that knowledge, and where you get that knowledge, like this way you will get that knowledge. You're hitting the core point. Okay, got it, Rasika? Rash, Rashika. Any question from your side? Anurag, Vishwas,
सर
Shakshi.
एज अ फ्रेशर आई वांट टू आस्क दैट सर अगर हम एसएपी फीको के लिए अप्लाई कर रहे हैं तो मतलब उसका स्किल्स वगैरह में क्या पॉइंट मेंशन करना इम्पोर्टेंट रह सकता है लाइक जो क्रिएशन ऑफ कंपनीज वगैरह वो क्रिएट कर रखे वो सारा चीज मेंशन करें या फिर कुछ और अलग मेंशन करना होगा
I didn't get you. Means आप fresher हो?
हाँ ये सर मतलब एक सर अगर अगर रिज्यूमे बना रहे हैं तो उसपे मेंशन स्किल्स के लिए क्या मेंशन करना पड़ेगा, मतलब वो जो जो अभी तक कर चुके हैं वो सारे स्किल्स को मेंशन करे, या फिर कुछ अलग प्रोजेक्ट्स वगैरह, या फिर समथिंग कुछ और वगैरह मेंशन करना पड़ेगा?
सी फ्रेशर्स को तो प्रोजेक्ट नॉलेज का सिर्फ इतना ही रहना चाहिए कि हाउ वी कैन स्टार्ट विद द एंटरप्राइज स्ट्रक्चर। हम एक प्रोजेक्ट में
लाइक
सबसे मेन रहता है।
लाइक
ठीक,
क्रिएशन ऑफ
आपको
कंपनी एंड ऑल दैट ना?
नहीं क्रिएशन नहीं क्रिएशन ऑफ कंपनी नहीं डालना, लाइक वो एक लाइक बेसिक एक्टिविटी हो गई है। वहां पे आपको एंटरप्राइज स्ट्रक्चर, ओके, आप ऐसे डाल सकते हो लाइक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन ऑफ एसएपी एंटरप्राइज स्ट्रक्चर, ऐसे डाल सकते हो क्योंकि स्ट्रक्चर में यू विल गेट एवरी एंटिटी इज देयर। तो आपको क्रिएशन ऑफ कंपनी कंपनी कोड इस तरह से नहीं डालना है। ठीक है। उसके बाद आता है कि आपको लाइक जीएल अकाउंट, योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग लाइक excellent understanding on FI with GL account, AP, AR, asset accounting, cost
यस
center accounting, okay, internal orders, profitable analysis. So these are all the keywords you have to mention into the FICO as a freshers. Okay.
यस सर।
So that will be the like project knowledge. You have no idea about freshers. You are freshers. So project knowledge, how to migrate the data, how to start with the project like upgrade, migrate, or implementations. That will be the PMFPS modules activity. Okay, किसी प्रोजेक्ट पे अगर आप काम कर रहे हो तो आपको उसमें क्या काम करना है? जनरल लेजर अकाउंटिंग पे काम करना है, अकाउंट पेएबल, अकाउंट रिसीवेबल, अकाउंट एसेट अकाउंटिंग पे, or you have work with the cost center accounting, because GL accounts knowledge, if you come with the GL accounts, there will be a big master data for GL accounts with the field status variants, okay, profit
यस सर।
analyzing. So these are all the keywords you have to mention and take on knowledge on that keywords. कभी भी जो आप रिज्यूम में डाल रहे हो उसका आपको उस पर्टिकुलर कीवर्ड का वो ओवरऑल नॉलेज रहना चाहिए। मैं यहाँ पे लाइक आपको ये फ्रेशर्स हो ऐसा आपको बोलूंगा नहीं कि आपको जीएल अकाउंट में सिर्फ कंट्रोल डेटा एंड आपको ट्रांजैक्शन डेटा रहना चाहिए। यू हैव टू मेंशन एज वेल एज द बैंकिंग डेटा एज वेल। सो बैंकिंग डेटा में आप फील्ड स्टेटस वेरिएंट कैसे सिलेक्ट कर रहे हो, कंट्रोल डेटा में आप कैसे कंट्रोल की यूज करते हो, तो दैट ऑल नॉलेज यू हैव टू टेक। ओके।
यस सर।
Riddhi, Riddhi will be the freshers. She is the new batch. Shakshi, Vishwas sir.
No, Kunal, nothing from my side.
Hi.
Yeah,
Hello.
Sai.
Yeah,
Yeah,
hi.
I'm fine.
Yeah, actually, presently I am working, 9+ years of experience in financial and accounting as a manager. And I have, worked on Oracle, but it's not in implementation side, it's like end user. But now I'm learning SAP FICO. Just I have doubt, when I'm adding all this experience and based on, the job JD and LinkedIn profile, I can update my CV. If the background check happens, so when I'm putting my experience certificate from my past companies, I can see that, senior financial lead, senior financial manager, I have my, the title, my job description. But when coming to the, the background check, how I can satisfy that a recruiter like or HR, like, is it a right person or he already have a right experience? Because I'm just learning, I'm proving them, I have that experience, right? And if they give chance, I can, just, I want to switch my career to SAP consultant as a technical side, not as a, admin. So how I can satisfy them, do you have, that kind of tips or like,
So you have to go through with the SAP enhancement. See, right now you have knowledge about the Oracle.
yeah.
GL account knowledge and that AP, AR, AFS, CCA, okay,
Yeah.
COPA, fund management, banking and treasury. So these are
Yes.
knowledge you have. So these are all knowledge you will just verify how it will verify means you have to see the changes into the interface or into the activities. You have to see there will be a same process you were doing into the Oracle as well. Okay, so
Okay.
you have
Yeah.
to see what will be the changes we have into the SAP, as well as you have to see the enhancement at that time. If as you have the 9+ years of experience, it will be huge. So in that case, you have to work for the enhancement into this SAP. So then only you can prove yourself that my career will be secure into the SAP now. If you come with the this knowledge only like GL accounts and all the knowledges, so that will be have for 4 to 5 years also, or 2 or 3 years of experience holder as well. But for you as a 9+ years of experience, you have to upgrade that enhancement,
Okay.
workflow, workflow, okay, integrations, migration tools, testing. So that all you have to know, like business process analysis with as is to be. Okay, so these are all knowledge you have to take for the switch into the SAP FICO. Then only you will have that. Also with that, you can go through the record to report RTR. Okay, RTR means where we have to the all reporting process for the FICO. Okay, as well as end user training. Got it?
Yes. Yes. Yeah. Got it. Thank you.
Also take a knowledge on the migration tools for the GL account. See, there will be a currently into the SAP, we have lots of project working on the migration of GL account from XYZ to SAP Cloud. Okay, SAP Cloud environment, we are doing the GL migration, only the GL account migration. So go through that activity. You will get the lots of freelancing projects, or you will get the lots of openings into this activity. Okay, so this will be the important part, as well as into the GL account, not only the GL accounts, also with the other accounts as well. Okay, take a knowledge on LTMCL LSMW. This two will be for everybody. Every modules for functional consultant, they just take a knowledge on few parts of LSMW and LTMC. Here we can see how to migrate the data. Only overview that will be enough. Okay. With the Ritesh, do you have any questions?
No, Kula. Right now, I don't have any question. Thank you.
Riddhi, Shakshi,
I'm good.
Pradeep, do you have any questions?
No,
Which
I
module
have
you are from?
PC model,
Which?
SAPC model.
Okay. Okay then. If you have that all knowledge, if you get all queries will be cleared. So should we stop the session? I think.
I have a last question.
Mm-hmm.
For all the modules that you mentioned around data migration and security, is there a you said you should know and get the overview. What is a good place to get the overview from any online?
Data migrations will be the process you will learn, like which data you are migrating. GL account or enterprises or the materials master data or the asset GL accounts, or you can say the suppliers data. So these are all data we have to migrate from XYZ to SAP environment with the whole process. There will be a process, there will be a tools, there will be a we need to we used to do with some technical modules as well. We are not only the individual persons we will do, but if you take a whole knowledge, it will be like best. You will
Then we
get that knowledge from the like there will be a lots of SAP community help portal. From there you will get this knowledge.
okay.
For every activity, for every module, we have data migration activity. For every module, you have some tools to do that. Some keywords will be there, some documents will be there, which documents you are going to migrate, and that will be we need to specify clearly. Okay. Anything else? Hello. Hello, Akansha ma'am. Ruchita. Hi. Which module you are from?
From SAP EC.
Okay. So watch the video, you will get the yeah,
Sure, sir.
you will have that recorded video class. You will get that.
So can you please share one sample resume? That would be, I guess, helpful for us.
Okay, I'll share with the Akansha ma'am. She will share with you. Okay, then see you. Bye. If you
Okay.
have any issues, that yeah.
Sir, if you have an sample resume तो क्या आप शेयर कर सकते हैं?
एक अभी तो नहीं है क्योंकि इतने सारे रिज्यूम डिफरेंट डिफरेंट मॉड्यूल्स के अभी मेरे डेटाबेस में नहीं है, बट
ठीक है।
लेट मी नो फॉर एवरीबॉडी लाइक हाँ व्हाट ईसी. ओके.
FICO. So for
फीको.
FICO. Yes, sir.
फीको फॉर एक्सपीरियंस. व्हाट विल बी योर एक्सपीरियंस?
So fresher के लिए.
Freshers. And another one who wants it for the experience, like Ritesh.
Yeah,
Ritesh with
I'm
Oracle.
from SAP HCM and
Oracle to HCM, no?
SAP HCM. Yeah,
9 years of experience.
oh,
Okay.
that's.
You want to you want that keywords, no? And anyone else like
And even if you have anything keyword for success factory EC, that would be great.
Keywords भी अगर वो अच्छा है तो चल.
keywords as well. Okay, so Ritesh needs a 9-year plus of experience with Oracle to HCM keywords with success factor. FICO will one keywords with sample. Anyone else? Prachi, what will be your module? Okay, so this much of sample you need now. I'll share with the Kansha ma'am. She will share with you. But for that, I need today's time.
So, thank
You
you,
will
sir.
get it by tomorrow. Okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, okay. Akansha ma'am, hello.
Yes, sir.
मैम इनकी रिक्वायरमेंट्स तो है उनको मैंने बता भी दिया है अबाउट ऑल दी कीवर्ड्स एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू ऑल दी रिलेटेड एक्सपीरियंस सर्टिफिकेट व्हाट कीवर्ड्स दे नीड टू मेंटेन
Mm-hmm.
ओके बट
Okay, sir.
दे ऑल नीड्स लाइक उनको देखना था डेटा तो डेटा तो अभी है नहीं मेरे पास वैसा बट आई
Okay.
कैन जनरेट द डेटा लाइक वर्ड फाइल मेंटेन करता हूँ फॉर देयर रिक्वायरमेंट कि वहाँ क्या कीवर्ड्स मेंटेन करना रहेगा और मैं आपको शेयर करता हूँ आफ्टरवर्ड्स यू कैन शेयर विद ऑल द कैंडिडेट्स
Sure, sir. We can do that.
आई हैव टुडे ओनली फीको ईसी ओरेकल टू एससीएम एमएम और कोई मॉड्यूल का था कैंडिडेट आज
So FICO, you can include FICO and
फीको तो है फीको
yeah.
ईसी है ओरेकल टू एससीएम एक कैंडिडेट थे 9 इयर्स प्लस एक्सपीरियंस वाले एमएम का एक है
Okay.
जिसमें हम मेंशन कर देंगे 1 ईयर एक्सपीरियंस 2 ईयर एक्सपीरियंस और वी कैन मेंटेन द इंटरवल्स लाइक 1 से 3 ईयर के एक्सपीरियंस में क्या कीवर्ड्स होना 3 से 5 में क्या कीवर्ड्स होना ऐसा एक मेंटेन करके मैं आपको शेयर कर दूंगा फॉर ऑल दिस मॉड्यूल्स फीको
Done,
ईसी
sir.
और ओरेकल ठीक
Done.
है तो उस
Sure, sir.
अकॉर्डिंग आप सबको फॉरवर्ड कर देना होगा
Sure, sir. I will.
ओके मैम ओके थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू
Thank you for your time, sir. Thank you, everyone.
थैंक यू
Have a great day.